It's affected our daily lives and our health. Of course, we're talking about COVID-19, and if you've contracted the virus, did you know it can actually cause hair loss? Here with more on that and how he can help is Dr. Craig Ziering, the go-to hair restoration specialist out there in Hollywood. He's also a pioneering transplant surgeon. Good morning.
Good morning.
Lots to discuss here. I didn't even know about this, but from the COVID-19 virus, I'm hearing hundreds of thousands of people monthly will experience new cycles of hair loss.
Yeah, it's a devastating situation. Not only is this virus causing people to be sick and suffer so much, afterwards people are additionally getting hair loss, and there's also people that are getting stress-related hair loss as a result of this as well, from the pandemic, from the quarantine, the disruption of their normal lifestyle, and it's affecting 2 out of 5 people.
Who may be more likely to experience this kind of COVID hair loss, post-COVID hair loss?
Well, anyone that lets stress get the better of them, unfortunately. The stress plays with our body and throws the hormones out of balance, and that results in telogen effluvium, which is that shedding of the hair that occurs.
So when does it exactly incubate, and is it reversible?
Yeah, the telogen effluvium that occurs as a relationship to the stress typically occurs 3 months after the event. It can occur earlier, but it's often about 3 months. The fortunate thing is it is reversible. You're not going to lose all your hair, and we can intervene and take steps to reverse it.
To put it in percentage-wise at your medical group, what kind of increase have you seen due to COVID-19 and hair loss?
We've seen at least a 40% increase in the number of inquiries that are coming in, and 60% of our patients are doing virtual consultations and telemedicine to get the information during this pandemic.
40%, that's incredible. And I know you just mentioned it, but those virtual ways of getting help are out there for patients.
Yeah, it's a great way for people to get information, to get treatment, to get help. The earlier you intervene, the better you're going to be. There's no reason to suffer in silence. A lot of people are affected by this hair loss. We can't let it beat us. We got to do something about it.
Are the majority that are calling in and using telemedicine or reaching out to you for help, are they already suffering hair loss themselves?
Yes, many of those patients are already suffering hair loss. They're affected by this situation in multiple different ways. Some are getting the stress-related induced hair loss. Others have had the hair loss and saying, you know what, this is a good time to actually have a procedure, reach out, do something about it because I've got the time to recover. I'm working from home.
Where do we go to get this all started?
So if you go to ZieringMedical.com, we can answer all your questions with our website, and you can contact us via the phone as well that way, and we'll answer all things related to hair.
Well, we appreciate you taking out the time this morning. It's a subject I didn't even know about it, so hopefully this information gets out to those who are suffering and need that help. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
It's one of the lingering effects of COVID-19. Hair loss. If you're concerned and have more questions, just head to ZieringMedical.com. Ziering Medical Group, a proud sponsor of Las Vegas Morning Blend.